Welcome to JH. Today we're figuring out how to get AniLab on your TV, because apparently, you don't have enough distractions in your life already. Start by hovering over the search icon on your home screen and type in Downloader. It's a real mystery what an app with that name does, isn't it? Select it from the results, hit Download, and give the software a moment to install while you contemplate your life choices. Once it's finally ready, don't launch it just yet. We need to perform some light digital gymnastics first. Head back to your home screen, trek over to Settings, and click on My Fire TV. Navigate to Developer Options and select Install Unknown Applications. You'll need to toggle this on for the Downloader app, essentially telling your TV to trust a complete stranger. Now, go ahead and launch the Downloader app. Move your cursor to the URL bar and type in AniLab. Hit Enter, select the app from the results, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, just open it up and start watching. Look at you, a regular tech genius. Thanks for watching.